All right, tonight I'm making some boneless pork chops for dinner. I'm just gonna make sure that they're nice and dry on the outside before seasoning them with some salt and some cayenne seasoning. Excuse the cat. Using my left hand to touch the meat, my right hand to season. All right, that's seasoned nice and well. Just gonna massage the spices into the meat real quick. And I've got my preheated pan. It's starting to smoke. Get a little oil on there. Make sure the pan is coated evenly. Then I'll get the pork chops on there. Oh, there's a step I forgot. I'm sorry. This is an important tip. This fat cap here, you want to score that, because if you don't, the pork chop will buckle and it'll be like, I don't know if you've ever seen this, but it's like a little cup. So I cut all the way through because there's kind of some gristly material there that when it heats up, it tenses up, and that's why you get that kind of folding. So if you cut it all the way through, you don't get that. It'll stay more flat in the pan when it cooks. All right, getting both of them. All right. All right, I'm gonna cook this for about 8 minutes total, flipping every 2 minutes at like a medium heat. All right, see you when they're done. All right, that's a total of 8 minutes for both of these guys. I'm gonna let these rest for 5 minutes, then I'm gonna cut into them and see how they are. Okay, these have rested for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna cut into these. I'm gonna try to cut them at like a bias. Trying to cut myself. All right, let's take a look. Fully cooked through. Yeah, it's pork chop. Pork chops are almost always a little bit tough compared to other meat, but very tasty, cooked through. Good color on the outside. So, yeah. That's how you do it.